Hi, everybody. Dr. Thomas Mar of Anchor Chiropractic. Gather around. It's whiteboard story time.
Let me tell you the tale of a tree. That's quite important because it's really a tale about you and me. Once my tree's leaves were green and trunk was strong. Then one day something went very wrong. What happened? What could have done this? I screamed and shouted. The culprit must be found. It must be outed. I scratched my head and thought. Eureka! It's the neighbor dog, Spot.
That's disgusting, Daddy.
No dogs, I say. All dogs must stay away. But that's not it, I heard the birds a-chiming. Then it must have been when the kids were climbing. Dear friends, my tree is ill, and kids swinging like monkeys are sure to kill. So kids, stand clear and do not cross those borders, I warn, doctor's orders. But alas, my deductions were not right, and though I tried and tried with all my might, I could not help my poor shrub's plight. Turning to the experts as to what to do, it's obvious, they said, your arbor has a bad case of tree flu. There's no time to waste. This branch here, that branch there, all must go, post haste. And then you just wait. With this daily dose of Leaf-O-Green, your tree will once again be great. It was great, or so I thought, because my tree liked Leaf-O-Green a lot. This went on for quite a while, but then I noticed my tree no longer wore a smile. One day a friend was terse. He pointed out the obvious. Your tree is getting worse. He was right. My strategy ineffective. What I needed was a fresh perspective. Then it hit me like an apple to the head. What if I focused on something else instead? I had been searching for things that made it wrong. What if I changed my focus on things to make it strong? So every day, with insistency, I showed and tended with consistency. Clean air, food, and water, nourishing and toxic-free, I fed with intention and a special touch of TLC. Along with that came care of trunk and root deep within the ground, and then I noted all my effort began to compound. Slowly but surely, life returned to tree as health sprang forth, interference-free. My tree was back. It was green and vibrant. No longer did it droop. Kids could climb and dogs could...
Ew.
After all those things I insisted I must avoid were not the key, I learned the secret to my tree's health was simple adaptability. Because you see, the lesson given me from this timber is one we must all take heart and remember. We too, like the tree, are capable of being strong and stout because true health comes from within, not from without. For the choices we make amid the incessant commercial chatter to serve the long, not the short, really do matter. In the end, it's not whether you get to 80, 90, or 100 and go that extra mile. It's how you get there. Be like the tree and get there in style.
Wow, Dad, you did fast!